Welcome to this Excel Quickie where I'm going to show you how to find and go to every cell that has been highlighted with a specific color in Excel. So this follows the other tutorial where I showed you how to quickly understand large spreadsheets, and in that we selected key cells that we may need to go back to do something with. And they could be over many different spreadsheets, and you want to quickly locate them and go to them. Well, the first step, make sure that the cell that you highlight, or the color you highlight the cell with, is one of these basic colors. It's going to make locating it much simpler. The next thing that you want to do, go anywhere in the workbook, hit Control F, go down here to Options in the Find and Replace window. Make sure that the Find What box is completely empty. Go to Format, go here to Fill, and choose one of the basic colors. This color list right here, this is what you see when you click the little bucket drop down arrow. So that's why you want to choose a simple color. So it's easy to select. We selected yellow, so click it here. OK. Now you can do Find Next to go to those cells one by one, but it's kind of nice, I think, to hit Find All and get a listing of those cells that have been highlighted. Now, by default, it's only going to look in the current worksheet, so we get one entry down here. If you want to do the whole workbook, change Within from Sheet to Workbook. Hit Find All again, and there you go. You've got a list of every cell, and if you want to go to them, all you have to do is click down here, or even just use an arrow key, and it goes to the next cell on the next worksheet. This makes life so much easier when navigating large spreadsheets to locate highlighted cells. To recap, all you have to do, Control F, go over here, make sure there's nothing, no text in Find What, go to Format, choose the formatting option. It doesn't actually have to be a background color or a highlight. It could be one of these different options here, but choose the color here on the Fill tab for highlighted cells. Hit OK. And you can either do Find All immediately, or you can go ahead and if you hit Find Next to go through them one by one. But Find All is much nicer. Just do that, expand the little guy down here, and navigate between them. And that's all there is to it.